Hello everyone! Today we'll take a look at the gantry crane configurations for precast concrete plants. The configuration of these gantry cranes is a key factor in production. It directly determines production capacity and output. When the gantry crane configuration is rational and well placed, the production process is guaranteed to run smoothly. Gantry crane configurations. Based on the specific needs of different areas, precast plants typically configure gantry cranes with different functions. The main areas are the rebar processing plant, the production area, and the storage area. Each area has different crane functions and configurations. Gantry crane in the rebar processing plant. The rebar processing plant requires a gantry crane primarily for lifting and hoisting rebar. All lifting tasks, from raw materials to finished rebar, are completed using this crane. Gantry crane in the production area. The production area requires a gantry crane to handle various tasks involved in the production of box girders. Specific tasks include rebar cage placement, hoisting rebar cages, assembling molds, pouring concrete, lifting small tools, etc. This gantry crane is equipped with 2 hoists, each with a 10-ton capacity, giving a total lifting capacity of 20 tons. It is capable of handling all the diverse tasks involved in this process. Gantry crane in the storage area. In the storage area, the gantry crane is typically larger and designed for lifting heavy precast box girders. This crane is built for heavy-duty lifting and is equipped with 2 hoists, each with a 75-ton capacity, totaling 150 tons. These hoists work together to simultaneously lift the 2 ends of the box girder. Different gantry crane operation modes. In both the production and storage areas, the layout and operational mode of the gantry cranes vary. In the production area, where the layout is horizontal, 2 10-ton hoists can work together. In vertical layouts, 2 separate gantry cranes are needed to operate simultaneously. Summary: the configuration and number of gantry cranes depend on the design of the facility. In the horizontal layout of a precast plant, we typically use this type of configuration. The gantry crane setups in each area ensure the smooth running of the production process. Thank you for watching.